Looking across the table, I'm looking at a 12-inch tall Viga pole. Kelly, what am I really seeing?
Well,
What is that?
that is made out of a concrete composite, and it's a shell. It's not solid, and we reinforce it with a fiberglass mesh, and that way we're able to keep it lighter. It doesn't have to be very thick. We use a CSA cement, which is a very strong cement. It's usually what they use for airport runways, bridges, because it stands up well to freeze thaw. You don't have issues with that. So we use that high quality, high PSI.
Yeah, it's quite a bit more expensive in Portland, but it's a lot tougher material. You can cast it in thinner sections, very, very tough.
So do y'all come to my house and take a mold of the failing Vigas? Or
No.
Typically, no.
Yeah, we've
made molds over Vigas that are very similar to the ones that are going to be on their home. We have many different diameters and lengths.
Okay.
So we'll have a Viga. If they want to stay with a very similar diameter, we have that. If they want to change and go a little larger, which we have some clients that like to go with a little larger Viga, we can do that.
Okay.
Yeah, and we have a variety of molds made from different logs, so they'll have a variety of characteristics, knots, cracks, so it's not the same looking Viga.
So they
on
look
each one.
imperfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what you want. It's not just a smooth, new looking log. It has some planned age in it that keeps it looking like, but they'll never crack.
Do y'all integrate the color into the cement?
We do.
Or
Yeah,
do
we
y'all
do.
coat it afterwards?
Both.
Okay.
Yeah, so we do. We impregnate the original casting with some iron pigments that they typically use in concrete, driveways, etc., in stucco. So we add that, for example, a dark brown Viga has that dark brown pigment in it.
Okay.
And then we also finish it with a dark brown concrete stain and paint.
Okay.
So as we all know that paint doesn't last. So as the paint starts to oxidize over the many years, you still have a dark brown pigment underneath.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the weight of that 12-inch? And that's what, an 8-inch diameter?
Yeah, that's an 8-inch. You're looking at that one's about 7 pounds.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, not very heavy.
They're similar to a new wood Viga in weight.
Okay.